Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Easy Ads works. We'll explore its streamlined process, designed to take the guesswork out of digital promotion, allowing even small businesses to thrive. This platform allows you to quickly set up your first campaign, reaching thousands of potential customers with just a few clicks. It is truly an efficient way to boost your online presence and sales across various digital channels. Getting started is straightforward. First, choose what you want to achieve, whether it is more sales or increased brand awareness. Then, you will identify your ideal customers, narrowing down by location or interests, for example. Next, allocate your budget. You can begin with a modest $10 per day to test the waters. Finally, craft engaging ad content to capture attention and encourage action. Once your ads are live, it is crucial to monitor their performance closely. The Easy Ads dashboard provides clear insights into how your campaigns are doing, showing you exactly where your budget is going. You can easily track clicks, impressions, and conversions, making informed decisions on the fly. Regularly testing different ad copies or images helps you fine-tune your approach for optimal engagement. To maximize your success, think about scaling your efforts strategically. Retargeting past visitors, for instance, can significantly boost your conversion rates by reminding them of your offerings. As your campaigns achieve a positive return, consider expanding your budget and exploring new target audiences. This iterative approach, always adapting to insights and trends, will ensure your Easy Ads stay highly effective over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.